Good day everyone, I'm Guzman and we're discussing the programming essential in Python. Variables, comment, and input. Introduction. Welcome to Programming Essential in Python. Overview of key concepts in Python programming. Exploring variables, comments, and input. Understanding their significance in Python programming. So, what is Python? A high-level programming language, easy to read and write, with simple syntax. Interpreted and object-oriented, allows for rapid development and efficient code reuse. Wide range of applications used in development, data analysis, and AI. So, what is variable in Python? Dynamic Python. Python is dynamically typed, which means you don't have to declare the data type of variables when you create it. You can create a variable x equals 10 and then reassign it with a string value x equals hello without any issue. Mutable and immutable types. Some data types in Python are mutable, meaning they can be altered after their declaration, like lists and dictionaries. Others are immutable, such as integers, floats, string, and tuples. So, scope of variables. The scope of variable determines the portion of the code where a variable can be accessed. Local scope. A variable that is defined inside a function is known as local variable. This variable represents in the local scope and can only be accessed inside that function. Global scope. A variable that is defined in the main body of the Python code is a global variable and it belongs to the global scope. Global variables are available from within any scope, global and local, non-local scope. Non-local variables are used in nested functions where scope is limited to the nearest enclosing function. Data typings in Python. Boolean, Boolean types, numeric types, int, float, complex, sequence type, string, list, tuple, mapping type, stick. What are these four types? Boolean type. The Boolean type represents logical values, either true or false. It is often used for condition and logical operation. Numeric types. Int, short, integer. Integer type represents full number without any decimal points. Float, floating point or floating point type represent number with decimal point or in exponential form. Complex. Complex type represent numbers in the form of a plus b, j, where a and b are real numbers and j is the imaginary unit. Comments in Python. Adding explanatory notes improve code's readability and understanding. Ignoring code temporarily disable code without deleting it. Documenting code provides detail for future reference. Why are comments are important? Code documentation. Comments serve as form of documentation within the code. They provide additional information about the purpose, functionality, and usage of the code. Helps developer, including myself, and understood the code logic, making it easier to maintain and modify in the future. Collaboration. Comments facilitate collaboration among the members by providing context and explanation for the code's functionality. Allows team members to understand each other's codes, making collaboration more effective, reducing the learning curve. Debugging and troubleshooting aids in the identification and resolution of bugs and errors by directing attention to specific code section. Okay, so here in input type, input in Python. Taking user input. The user function is used to collect user input. as a string from the console. It prompts the user with message, provide an argument input. The program waits for the user to enter text, and when the user presses enter, the input returns as a string. So here's the example. User slash input equals input, then enter something, print you entered, then user input. In this example, the user is prompted with enter something, and whatever the type is stored in the variable user input, the program then print the entered value. Okay, the next, age equals int slash input or enter your age, print you are, then age years old. Here in the input is converted to an integer using int. It ensures that the entered value is treated as number. Dynamic and interactive program. Modify program behavior based on user input. Dynamic program. Variable name equals input. Enter a variable name. Value input. F. Enter a value for variable name. You can dynamically construct prompt based on user input or other variable to make the interaction more personalized. Use cases. Programs that are dynamic. Program can adjust to the unique needs of each user thanks to user input. Consider a calculator that allows user to enter numbers and operations like plus, equals, minus, and divided by. Engaging programs. Player action in interactive games frequently depends on user input, such as AI, involve user through input and react according to the data type supplied. Setting up and customize. While a program is running it may ask the user for preference or settings. This enables personalization like adjusting the application preference, data processing, and data entry into programs like database and spreadsheet requires user input. It enables the process of data in real time using information supplied by the user. Example, simple calculator. Gumagamit sila ng addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division to perform basic arithmetic operation based on user input. And then input validation, handle invalid input and error condition. So in conclusion, key takeaways. Understanding variables, comments, and input in the Python. So kailangan intindihin lang talaga yung variables para mapadali yung pag-code. Building blocks of Python programming. Mastering this concept is essential for further development. That's all. Thank you.